Thank you, Honorable Mr. Speaker, sir. Thank you, Honorable Virendra. I advise this House that the survey and design process is currently underway for the construction of Waimari Bridge. This work is being undertaken by the FRA, Visual Roads Authority, as part of its bridge replacement program. Once the design phase is completed, the project will be included for budget consideration in the upcoming financial year, ensuring that funding is allocated for the project. The government recognizes the critical importance of this bridge in connecting rural communities to essential services such as schools, health facilities and markets. The planned works will incorporate climate resilient design standards to withstand future extreme weather events and improve safety for all users. In addition, FRA will engage with landowners and stakeholders during the implementation phase to ensure smooth delivery and timely completion. Moving forward, the Ministry will continue to monitor progress closely and provide updates. The restoration of the Waimari Bridge is a priority under our infrastructure resilience program, and also in terms of reconnecting communities and supporting socio-economic development in the area and the province of Ra. The FRA has made notable progress on road and bridge upgrades in Ra province. Key works include rehabilitation and resurfacing along Kings Road, corridor with repair and remade upgrades, improving durability and quality and safety. In Rakiraki, approximately 220 meters of road surface has been upgraded, enhancing connectivity for residents and businesses. These improvements are part of the broader national effort in terms of infrastructure resilience. Major bridge projects have been completed under the Critical Bridges Program, including Yangara, Tavo Levu, Korovo. These climate resilient structures improve safety, reduce travel time, and support economic activities. Collectively, these works form part of the Fiji Transport Infrastructure Restoration Project, which includes upgrades to 9 critical bridges and over 1.5 million square meters of road surface nationwide. The Fiji Roads Authority have also upgraded the first 270 meters of Waimari Road from town end early this year. The upgrade includes a new footpath, improved drainage, and improved seal road surface in front of the businesses and residents within the Rakiraki town boundary along Waimari Road. The Ministry continues to work closely with stakeholders and especially development partners to accelerate delivery to ensure modern, safe and sustainable transport. I recognize that, of course, this is not enough, which is why, as I already mentioned, that we continue to reassess the programs as we move forward in the budget year, given also further discussions with the Ministry of Finance on flexibility in terms of budget program options. There will be situations where we face in terms of emergencies as we are in the cyclone season. For fast-track repairs, there's also the situation of upgrading approaches to crossings, which we are currently undertaking, assessing and reprioritizing. And of course, I've mentioned the formulation of the national roads and bridges and crossings plan, currently being looked into with the assistance of our development partners. And of course, this will form a comprehensive roadmap forward for the next 20-30 years as far as bridges and roads are concerned. And of course, divided into the main trunk routes and the rural roads and bridges. And in relation to that, the financing strategy and plans moving forward are already currently being discussed and networked with our development partners. Now,